When you are hungry, you can quickly prepare this dish. I present the recipe for a very tasty, crispy, and juicy snack. For the filling, we need a lot of greens. You can use whichever you like. I used parsley, spinach, dill, and green onions. Wash greens and finely chop. Add cow cheese and pepper to taste and mix. Since the cheese is salty, I didn't add any extra salt. We put the stuffing in pita bread and wrap it up. Wrap the rest in this way, pour the oil into the pan and heat it strongly. We fry the wraps in hot oil on all sides. You can add sumac during serving. It's delicious. Definitely check it out. For more video recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the videos. Thank you for watching. For now.